Hello children, your Arun sir teaching maths, and dear children, we have already discussed about the angles and some questions of angles we have solved. Now let us solve some more question in angle. See question number 7, 1 I am going to solve. The question is, an angle is equal to its supplement. Find the angle. Supplementary angle we have discussed that if the sum of two angle is 180 degree, it is called supplementary angle. And if the sum is equal to 90 degree, it is called complementary angle. But here an angle is equal to its supplement. Find the angle. Let the angle be x and they are equal and they are supplementary, means according to the question x plus x, both the angles are equal and they are supplementary 180 degree, or 2x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 by 2 means 90 degree. So each angle which are equal to its supplement are 90 degree. So that part is clear. Question number 7 we have discussed. Next, let us solve one question from question number 8. What is there in question number 8? Let us discuss. Question 8. The sum of two adjacent angle is 110 degree. Adjacent angle I have discussed that if two angles have one arm common vertex, and non-common arms are on the opposite side, they are called as adjacent angle. The sum of two adjacent angle is 110 degree, and if one of them is 40 degree less than the other, find the angle. Question 8, 1. The sum of two adjacent angle is 110 degree and one of them is 40 degree less than the other. Let the angle be x degree. Therefore, other angle which is 40 degree less will be x minus 40, and their sum is 110 degree. According to the question, their sum means x plus x minus 40. This is one angle and this is other angle which is 40 degree less than the other angle, and their sum is 110 degree. Now let us solve it. First, let us remove the bracket. X plus x minus 40 is equal to 110, or 2x is equal to 110 plus 40. This 40 will go that side, or x is equal to 150 by 2 means 75 degree. One of the angle is 75 and other angle, first angle will be 75 degree, other angle 75 minus 40 degree, and it is 35 degree. So this is the answer. So this part is clear. Now next question, let us discuss question number 9. We will discuss question number 9 and one question from question number 9. And dear children, whatever problem you will find, you will text me, you will write me, I will solve and I will send the answer. Question number 9, 1. What is the question? two angles are supplementary, means sum of two angle is 180 degree. Two angles are supplementary. One of them is one third of the other. One angle is one third of the other. Then find the angle. Let the angle be x. And other angle is one third. One of them is one third of the other. Other angle be one third of x, and that will be equal to x by 3. Now according to the question, they are supplementary. Their sum must be equal to 180 degree. According to the question, x plus x by 3 is equal to 180 degree. LCM 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. This is in the division, that will go that side, will become multiplication. 3x and 1x. 4x is equal to 180 into 3, or x is equal to 180 into 3 by 4. 4 4 ja 16, carry 2, 4 5 ja 20. So this is 45, and 45 into 3, 5 3 are 15, carry 1, and 4 3 are 12, and 1 30. One of the angle is 135 degree and other angle. Therefore, first angle 135 degree and other angle x by 3, means 135 by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 1 and 3 5 ja 15. So other angle is 45 degree, and you can see their sum is 180 degree. They are supplementary. So this is the answer. Next question. Let us solve and see. Question number 9 we have solved. Let us see question number 10. One question from 10 I will solve. Okay. Question 10, 2 I am solving. What is the question? Two angles are complementary, means their sum is equal to 90 degree. The larger one is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller one. Try to understand. Two angles are complementary and larger one is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller one. Let the larger angle be x. Therefore, two angles, if larger one is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller one. Don't take larger, take a smaller one. It will be easy for you to calculate. A smaller angle be x, therefore larger angle be, try to understand, 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller one. 3 times the smaller one and 50 degree less, and their sum must be 90 degree. Now, therefore, x plus 3x minus 50, and it should be equal to 90 degree, or x plus 3x minus 50 is equal to 90 degree, or 4x is equal to 90 plus 50, or x is equal to 90 and 50 140 and by 4, and it is 4 3s are 12, 2 and 4 5s are 20, means 35. So a smaller one is 35, therefore a smaller angle is equal to 35 degree and larger angle is equal to 3x, means 3 into 35 minus 50. So 3 into 35 is 105 and minus 50. 105 minus 50 means 55 degree, and 55 plus 35 is 90 degree. So larger angle will be 55 degree, a smaller angle will be 35 degree. So this part is clear. One more question, question number 11 we will discuss. Question number 11, any one question from the question 11. Two complementary angles are in the ratio. Dear children, if ratio is given, then take x. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find them. Let the angle be ratio 2 and 3, 2x and 3x. Whenever ratio is given, ratio means after calculation, after simplification, it came 2 and 3. Two angles are in the ratio 2:3. Let the angle be 2x and 3x. And they are complementary. According to the question, their sum must be 90 degree. 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree, or 5x is equal to 90 degree, or x is equal to 90 by 5 means 18 5 ja 90. So one of the angle, therefore one of the angle 2x is equal to 2 into 18, and that is 36, and other angle is 3x means 3 into 18, and whatever you are getting, that is the answer. So dear children, today up to this much, and in the next video we will discuss the next part. Thank you.